Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Mustache Monday. And it's time for another giveaway. At the end of the last giveaway, I promised I would do another giveaway when I hit 115,000 subscribers on this channel. As of today, it had passed 118,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. And to be very technical, there are two places I can check for the number of subscribers on my channel. And one of them passed 118,000 and the other one is almost 118,000. I don't know why there's a discrepancy, but I'm usually checking the one that's higher. So here's another giveaway. The same thing, the Step-on foot massager, this time in pink. How cute is that? So this is type of the foot massager that I've been using for years when I brush my teeth at the end of the day. You simply step on with different parts of your foot and it's great for tired feet. And as you may know, there's a reflexology and there are reflexes of your body at the bottom of your feet. So it's kind of like giving a quick full body massage at the end of the day and it feels great. So same rule as last time, please comment below, I want this if you want this. And comments like thanks or it's nice or great, that will not be counted. So please say I want this and I'll put your entry. And I will assign the number to each entry and I will randomly pick the number. Yes, this is from Daiso Japan. In Japan, it's 100 yen. And in the States or in Southern California, it's $1.50. So if there's Daiso Japan in your area, you can get it really cheap. I will put the link below so you can check if Daiso Japan is in your area. If there's no Daiso in your area or you definitely want to get this one from me, you can comment below saying I want this. And I will ship this to anywhere in the world. The last winner was in England and I shipped it to her. The shipping cost was way more than the cost of this product, but I will do it again. I will close the entry for this giveaway on Sunday, July 21st at 12 noon Pacific Standard Time. So if you want this, just comment below, I want this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and good luck.